To go with the tandoori chicken, I'm making some mint yoghurt dip. So I've got some sugar, natural yoghurt. I'm going to put a little bit of spice in here. I've got a little pilo spice, which is I put in the rice. It's turmeric, just to make it a bit yellow colour. Now I'm going to stir it round. Actually, I'm going to put a bit more yogurt in. So I'm making two types here. It sometimes has grated cucumber in it. I haven't got any cucumber, but I've got courgette, which my son doesn't like. So I'm going to make some normal with some minty dip, and I'm going to take some out. Then I'm going to grate some courgette in it, see if that works. Courgette's out my garden, so now you can use just a normal mint sauce with this. Now I've just picked these out the garden, and I've washed them, and I used all the little baby heads, so they look a little bit better. So I did reasonably fine. A little bit finer. That's going to do. So that's the mint dip done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some out of there. Normally if you go to the Indian it's really runny and yellow, but I'm not going to have it too runny. So I'm going to put in 1 spoonful. This is going to be in my son's plate. Because my wife won't mind the grated courgette in it. I'm going to cut the end brown end off. I've washed it. Not exactly a cucumber, pretty similar. When she goes on holiday, she likes this on her salad, grated courgette, actually courgette rather than cucumber. So I'm going to put that in, and we're going to have it with the grated courgette, tiny bit more actually, okay. But I'm going to grate some courgette up because she likes that anyway. So as you can see, we've got grated courgette there. So that's some other mint dip here. So I'm just going to grate the rest of this up, because it's going to go on her salad. But I won't put any of this on my son's plate. So here I have all the other stuff there, the tomato, and I could, so I might as well grate this whole one up. Otherwise I have to keep it. Now these ones are weird courgettes because they're not like the long thin ones like they normally are. So we've got some courgette. It's going to go on the plate over here. I've got another plate here. Then, this is lettuce out of the garden. I've washed it and I put it on the tea towel to dry it. I've washed it well, make sure no bugs in it or anything else, chopping this up. Now I haven't got a salad spinner, but if you had a salad spinner you could use one of those. So a little bit of lettuce, maybe a bit more lettuce. There's all different types here. And we're in July at the moment, so there's lettuce. So a little bit of lettuce on that plate. Lettuce on these two. And we're going to chop it out. With this here, I'm going to mix it around the tomatoes with the spring onions. So dice these up a bit. They're not too small, so they're smaller. And I'm going to mix them with the spring onion. And actually what would go well with the chicken would be maybe some mint in there as well, but I'm not going to bother with that. For mint sauce, you can just use the mint sauce to make this rather than the fresh mint if you've got no fresh mint. If you grow it in the garden, you can make sure you put it in a bucket because it grows all over the place. So I'm mixing that up. Maybe a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit of salt and pepper on it, give it a bit more flavour. And maybe I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice on this as well. And the tandoori chicken is probably done by now, I reckon. A little tiny bit of lemon juice. And with this last bit of lemon, my wife won't want any lemon, my son and my family a lemon each. Bit of salad on there, bit of lemon, and that's ready for the chicken. You might not need quite so much as that. Half an each plate over here. And that's it for that. I'm just going to check the chicken.